Have you ever wondered how your brain actually works? It's not just a lump of tissue sitting inside your skull. It's one of the most complex electrical networks in the universe. In fact, your brain produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. But how does that really happen? Let's explore the incredible science behind your electric mind. Your brain contains around 86 billion neurons, special cells that communicate through tiny electrical signals. Each neuron can connect with thousands of others, forming trillions of connections known as synapses. When a neuron fires, it sends an electrical impulse called an action potential. This tiny signal travels along the neuron, jumps across synapses, and passes the message to the next cell. This is how you think, move, feel, and remember. Every single thing you do, from blinking your eyes to solving equations, depends on this electric dance. Now, let's talk about the energy. If you added up all the tiny electrical impulses happening inside your brain right now, they'd total around 20 watts of power. That's about the same energy it takes to light a small household bulb. Imagine this. As you're watching this video, your brain is literally glowing with activity, lighting up with every thought. It's like having a mini power plant inside your head, constantly generating energy to keep you alive and aware. Scientists measure this brain activity using machines like the EEG, or electroencephalogram. When doctors place electrodes on your scalp, they can detect the tiny voltage changes your brain produces. These wavy patterns you've probably seen, called brain waves, show how active your mind is. There are different types: delta waves, slow, deep sleep; theta waves, daydreaming and creativity; alpha waves, calm focus; beta waves, alert thinking; gamma waves, intense problem solving. Your brain switches between these rhythms like a symphony of electricity. But here's something fascinating: even though your brain runs on electricity, it doesn't shock you. That's because the electrical impulses are incredibly tiny, measured in millivolts, far below what you could ever feel. The brain uses chemistry and electricity together. When neurons fire, they also release chemicals called neurotransmitters, such as dopamine and serotonin, to send emotional or physical messages. In other words, your thoughts are both electric and chemical. So, the next time someone says, "You've got a bright idea," it's literally true. Your brain produces enough power to light up a bulb, but instead of lighting your room, it lights up your world with ideas, imagination, and consciousness. It's a perfect reminder of how powerful the human mind truly is, a tiny spark of electricity capable of creativity, intelligence, and emotion. Think about that: your entire sense of self, your memories, your dreams, all powered by electrical energy flowing silently in your brain. Isn't that incredible?